Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, boys and girls, the third puzzle, last puzzle I will do for today. Tomorrow will do the tectonics, two tectonics and one Sudoku. Yeah, binary time number 4828. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means we have in a row, or sorry, in a column or in a row, we have 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. And double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. Oh, sorry, 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then, yeah. Then we are stuck. Yeah, we are stuck. How could that be? Well, I know between no. Oh, double O, overlooked. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Overlooked. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Yeah. Then. Need to compare. Oh, 4 O's overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rest are ones. Okay. Overlooked. 3. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Double. Yeah, let me compare this one and that one. 1 empty box. 1 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then. Yeah. I'm thinking. Need to compare again. Well, look. This row and that row is almost the same. So, I cannot compare these. How about 1001? No. This row and the last row. 1 empty box. Empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay, and now I can compare this row and the last row. 1100001100 empty box 11. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 5 minutes. Wow, a lot of comparing, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and yeah, we'll meet again tomorrow. The other 3 puzzles I will solve. Sudoku with 2 stars and 2 tectonics. Alright, until then, bye bye for now.